Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to do some trapping, such as trapping empty text boxes before saving to our database, and trapping duplicate record during adding and editing of record. Okay, so we'll go back to our application. So during saving of record, we're going to trap empty full name, username, and even password. And of course, we are going to trap also if the password and confirm password do not match. Okay, so in in here before saving, okay, so if trim txt fname of text equals empty, then msg box cannot save full name is empty, and then information, okay, and then um, okay only, okay only, sorry, information, and then okay only, and then save. Okay, and then um, txt fname dot focus, then exit sub. Okay, so before we continue, let's try this one first. Okay, so let's run it, then let's add, and then save. So as you can see here, cannot save, full name is empty. Okay, so we'll just change the spelling of this one. So the save here is the title, because we set it here. Save will be the title of this uh, message box, and of course the information is one, the icon here, icon, and then the button, okay, and then the title. Okay, and then we are going to put the cursor in the txt fname, and then we will exit the uh, private sub here, okay, exit sub, so that it will no longer continue executing these um, lines of codes. Okay, so let's close this one, and let's modify our code empty, and then let's add additional trapping for txt uname username, sorry. Okay, so username is empty, and then txt username, then again for password txt password keyword, okay, and then password is empty, txt keyword again, okay, and then of course the confirm password txt cp word, confirm password is empty, and then txt cp word, okay, and then let's try this one. Okay, let's add, and then add. Okay, so the cursor will go to txt fname as what we have set in our um, codes. So sample, so save. Okay, sample again. So you can see here it will trap empty text boxes. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Okay, here. Now what if we input um, different password in your password and confirm password? Okay, so let's trap that also. Okay, if trim txt keyword dot text, is not equal to trim txt cp word the text, then msgbox password and confirm password do not match. Okay, and then information plus okay only, still save because the action is still saving record. Okay, and then txt keyword dot text equals empty. So we will remove the text inside the text keyword so that the user will re-enter the password. And then txt cpword dot text equals empty also, and then we will focus, or we will put the cursor in our txt keyword that focus, and then exit sub. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so my name, then uname, so 123 1234. Okay, so as you can see here, password and confirm password do not match, so we should change this the buttons with okay only. Okay, so the password, okay, became empty, the text password became empty also with the confirm password. Okay, so let's try to put similar password 1234 1234. Okay, here. Okay, now how are we going to trap um duplicate username? It is one username, so we will avoid duplicate username. So okay, so let's do that. So first I will change the button here, it should be okay only. Okay only. Okay, so during add, okay, we're going to um, check if the password or the username already exists in our um, table. So in here, fill data grid. Okay, so select asterisk from tbl users where um, username, let me check again, username. Okay, for username equals trim txt uname dot text. Okay, in here we are going to add another data grid view, so I will just copy this one. Okay, so that we will not um, be changing the property anymore. Let's copy this data grid view and then paste it in the design view of this one, but we'll just hide it. Okay, so we'll set the name to dg check. Okay, okay, let's go back to our code. So in here we are going to use dg check. So if dg check dot row count is greater than 0, okay, so it will notify the user that the username has been taken, or uh, the system found duplicate username. So msgbox, okay, duplicate username detected. Okay, please check and try again. Okay, okay, sorry, warning or exclamation, sorry, exclamation, and then okay only, and then still save. And then we will remove the text of txt username. So txt username dot text equals empty, and then we will focus our cursor in txt username, txt uname dot focus, and then exit sub. Okay, there. Let's try it. So, oh, there's an error in here. Let's check the error. Okay, cancel. Should be okay only. Okay only. Okay. So let's run. So I will use sample. Sample. Okay. Duplicate username detected. Please check and try again. So as you can see here, it found the username sample. Okay. So sum save. Okay. So that's it. That's how you trap duplicate record during saving, during adding of record. What about um, checking duplicate record during editing? Okay, so this time we are going to add another text box. So let's copy this one, and I will uh, name this as txt check. Okay, txt check. So we will use this one to compare the value of um, username, the txt uname, and txt check. So we will compare it. If the value is the same, you don't need to check anymore. If the username already exists, because you will not be changing this one. Okay, but if this one, if txt username and txt check do not have the same value, that's the time that you are going to check if txt username already exists in your table. Okay, so let's do it. In your rl users, you are going to pass also. We will pass the value of the username in here. So txt uname and txt check should have the same value. Okay, so during edit in here, txt uname, they should have the same value. So txt uname or txt um, check. Okay, so let's check it. Okay, so here they have the same um, value. Okay, so now let's compare, okay, to check if the um, value of the two text box are not the same anymore. Okay, so in here during update, okay, if trim txt uname that text is not equal, so if they are not equal anymore, you're going to check if txt uname is already in your table. Okay, so not equal to trim txt check the text, then you're going to select the record like this. Okay, select asterisk from table users where username equals this one, the value of txt uname, and then we will copy this one. Okay, we have the same code. Okay, but if the value of text uname and text check are the same, it means you don't need to check if the username is duplicated, because it's already there in your table. Okay, so let's try it. So I will just change the name, so final name, and then that's it. Okay, so it changes the name here. Okay, now I will change the username uname to Sam. So I will try to duplicate this one. So I will edit uname and I will make it Sam. There. Duplicate user detected. Please check and try again because some is already in your table. Okay. Now, the next one is what if um, there's no more record in our table. So let's try to delete everything. Delete the record. Delete. Yes. Yes. And then we will try to delete again. Yes. So it creates error. So you should avoid deleting empty um, record in your table. So to check that one, okay, it's very simple. You just have to count if there is no more um, record in your table. So if dg users.row count is equal to 0, then you should not delete anymore. So you should notify the user msg box no record to be deleted, and then information plus OK only, then the title is delete, and then exit sub. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so delete. Yeah, there, no record to be deleted. Okay, so let's add sample. Okay, there. Okay, so that's it. That's how we trap empty text box here. Okay, and it's how we trap also duplicate record during adding and editing. Okay, so in our next video we are going to work on the MDI form. Okay, so see you in the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, that's all, and goodbye.